Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we learn this super easy crochet blanket pattern. Even it's very easy. The pattern is beautiful enough. If you are a beginner, try now. It will encourage you. You can use any kind of yarn which you have and suitable hook for it. The diameter of my yarn is around 3 millimeters. The hook is 5 millimeters. Let's create the foundation. Leave a long tail about 1 meter. Make a knot first. Tail. Next, use the tail to yarn over. But pull the normal yarn. Repeat yarn over. Pull yarn. Here, I have made 40 stitches. You can increase stitches to get suitable length. It's multiple of 4. Next, chain 1. Back to the first stitch. Make 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Next one, single crochet. Crochet like that until you get 40 stitches. Here we get 40 single crochet. We finished the first row. Chain 1 and turn the work. Yarn over first and insert into the first stitch of last row. Then pull yarn through the 3 loops on the hook. We call it half double crochet. That's the first stitch of the second row. Mark it. Next, to half double crochet. Here we made 3 half double crochet. Next, chain 1. Skip 1 stitch. Next, make 1 half double crochet. Next, to half double crochet 1 by 1. Here, 3 half double crochet again. Next, chain 1, skip 1 stitch. Next 3 half double crochet. Repeat like in such principle to the end. Here we finish the second row. There are 4 half double crochet at the end. Chain 1 and turn the work. Now the third row, same as the first row, all single crochet 1 by 1. Okay, we finished the third round. 40 single crochet stitches. Chain 1 and turn the work. Let's start the fourth row. 1 half double crochet into the first stitch. Next, chain 1 and skip 1 stitch. Next, make 1 half double crochet. Next to half double crochet 1 by 1. Here 3 half double crochet. Next, chain 1 and skip 1 stitch. Next 3 half double crochet 1 by 1. Repeat in such principle to the end. That's the end of the 4th row. Chain 1 and turn the work. Next, the 5th row, all single crochet 1 by 1. It is the end of the 5th row. Chain 1 and turn the work to start the 6th row. It's same with the 2nd row. First, make 3 half double crochet 1 by 1. Next, chain 1 and skip 1 stitch. Next, 3 half double crochet. Repeat in such principle to the end. We get the 6th row. From now, we just repeat from the 1st row to the 6th row. You can increase the stitch of the foundation to get suitable length of the blanket. It is multiple of 4. Also, we can border the 4 edges with simple pattern. Thanks for your company.